How to log into Facebook with Gmail. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Facebook account using your Gmail address. If you've forgotten your Facebook username or just prefer using Gmail for logging in, this tutorial is for you, so let's get started. First things first, open your Facebook app, or you can open your web browser and head to the Facebook login page. You can do this by typing facebook.com and simply pressing on enter. Now, instead of entering your phone number or username, simply enter the Gmail address that you use to sign up for Facebook in the email or phone number field. Make sure you type it correctly, as Facebook will use this to identify your account. Next, simply enter your Facebook password in the password field. This is the password you set when you're creating your Facebook account, or the one you updated in your account settings. Once you've entered your Gmail address and password, simply click on login button. This should take you straight into your Facebook account. And that's it. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Facebook home feed, where you can see your notifications, friend requests, posts, and everything else.